Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix the ChatGPT access denied issue. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now, check whether your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. If your internet is working properly and the issue still appears, open the App Store or Play Store on your phone. This helps you check whether the ChatGPT app needs an update. Older app versions can sometimes create login or access problems. Now tap on the search bar and type ChatGPT. Once the app appears in the results, open its app page. Here you can check if a new update is available. After opening the ChatGPT app page, look for the update button. If the button appears, tap on it and wait for the update to finish. Updating the app often fixes access denied or login issues quickly. If the issue is still not fixed, restart your phone once. Temporary bugs or network glitches sometimes disappear after restarting the device. After the phone turns back on, try opening ChatGPT again. If restarting does not help, uninstall the ChatGPT app from your phone. Then reinstall it again from the App Store or Play Store. This refreshes the app files and settings completely, which solves the problem in many cases. Finally, open ChatGPT again and log into your account carefully. Make sure you are using the correct email or login method connected to your account. After signing in properly, the access denied issue may disappear automatically. And that's how you can fix the ChatGPT access denied issue step by step. Usually, checking the internet, updating the app, or reinstalling it solves the problem quickly. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.